Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable call forwarding on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. From here, just scroll down and tap on supplementary services. Now just wait for a few seconds. Then tap on call forwarding. Now just select voice calls. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to set up the call forwarding features. Now, as you can see, you have a few options for call forwarding. You have the option to always forward your calls, or you can forward your calls when you're busy or when unanswered, or you can select when unreachable. I will select when busy. Now just enter the number to forward your calls to when you're busy. Just like that. And once you have entered the number to forward your calls to when you're busy, just tap on enable. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled call forwarding when we are busy. Now to disable call forwarding, just select the call forwarding options which you have enabled and tap on disable. Now just wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, we have successfully disabled call forwarding on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable and disable call forwarding on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.